and welcome to Mad Mike Makes. Today I'm waiting for a glue up to dry, and I thought I'd just shoot a quick video on something that I saw a while ago that I thought was a really cool idea. I absolutely love recycling, and I came across this idea. So it's really just a 2-litre Coke bottle that you cut a hole in with a Dremel. So I just use a Dremel tool with a cutter. Just plunge it into the Coke bottle, cut a round hole, just big enough for your hand to fit into. And what it does is it makes these really cool holders for various things. Like I've got biscuits in that one and dowels in that one. And you can also make a sort of hanging holder. If you took a piece of ply and you made a cutout, you could actually hang these up like that and sort of take them out to your workbench, use them, put them back again. So I just wanted to share that. I saw the idea quite a while ago, and then this morning I noticed a few of these bottles in the recycling, and I thought, well, there's so much plastic waste in the sea and in the rubbish dumps and what have you. So this is a good use for it. So I hope that you like this video and that you'll be able to use this idea. Thanks for watching.